Hi guys, good evening to all of you. Good afternoon pala, almost evening though. It's an interesting day again for the markets as we finally saw the market hit highs yesterday, of around 8,900 plus. But as of today naman, we're seeing the markets as expected, as part of the game, start to correct and start also to experience a level of profit taking. So you have to remember this. It's normal for things like this to happen. It's normal when you see markets hit highs and hit high upon high, and then people who have made enough money already are okay and are willing to take profits as well. So it's part of it. So don't be scared naman na you're actually thinking, nako, the market will now start to reverse downward, the market will start to become bearish. You have to remember, for stocks that or markets that move up in long uptrends also, it would take a longer time for it to actually retrace down. It would also take a longer time for it to be finished, meaning you look at the trend as something that's like a coil. The longer the uptrend, the stronger it is. The longer the uptrend, the harder for it before it gets out of the trend. So that's one thing. The movement downward right now is part of people profit taking. It's part of people who want to take out money also from stocks that they've positioned early. You have to understand this. When we started 2017, or when we ended 2016, December 2016, the market was at 6.8. From where we are now, people have a large amount of gains as well. So that's one thing you need to consider, that there will come a point in time where people will take profits. Is this enough to destroy the underlying trend? Is this enough to destroy what we currently have as an uptrend, as a bullish market? We're not there yet, but this is something for the PSE, or the next support for the PSE is around 8,500. So if there's no support that will I guess surface over the next few days and weeks, you can expect that a possible landing spot for the PSEi will be at around 8,500. So why am I saying this? If it goes to 8.5 and 8,500 does not hold, there's a possibility also that if 8.5 does not hold, it will retrace and it will go to the strongest support level. So for a few months back, I posted that the strongest support level was at 7.7 when we broke past 8.1, which was a strong resistance back then. It now became a strong support. As of where we are right now, it's consistent. It's true that 8,500 is our support level. If 8.5 does not hold, the stock market or the PSEi will drop to around 8,100, which is where the strong support is. So from where we are right now to where 8.1 is, we're still at a very, very far level before we actually can say that the market is starting to reverse. So as of this point in time, this is just a healthy profit taking. It may lead the market to 8.5. So here's the thing. At 8.5 naman, what you need to watch out for at around 8,500 is if 8.5, because if 8.5 will hold, the possibility of the market moving naman will be 8.5 to 8.9. So please take note of this. From 8.5, if 8.5 holds, the market will range from 8.5 to 8.9. If 8.5 does not hold, the market drops to around 8.1. 8.1 is the strongest support level. If the market hits 8.1 and then we bounce off of 8.1, okay pa, whatever uptrend, whatever movement we're seeing is still pretty much intact still. So it's still exciting. If we go back to 8.9 though, and we hold above 8.9, everything that I said is valid, that there's a movement that will lead us to 9.3. But not just that, there's a movement that will lead us to 10,000 to 10,200 over a longer period of time. So short term, we hold and stay above 8.9. 9.3, 9.293 is pretty much possible. But a longer term movement upward will bring the market to 10,200. Today also, what brought markets down, you check the largest stocks with larger market caps. Ali, SM are down, I think around 2%. So because they have large market caps, how they move also influences the index, and it would cause it to it would cause a larger movement or a shroud to bring markets lower as well. So as of this point in time, again, the market is still expensive. Even if we've retraced to a certain amount, the market is still expensive, that the market is still high. I mentioned this in the Bloomberg interview this morning that in spite of the market being more expensive, as long as valuations are there, as long as value and growth of companies will be very consistent, it may still bring the markets higher because the possibility of growth. As you can see, at my back, these are all Mega World properties naman. People think of BGC as all Ayala, but no. Mega World actually has a larger chunk of land here in BGC. So that's what's interesting. You can't think about the Philippines as a bubble. There was someone a few years ago who said that the Philippine economy was a bubble. He was out of his mind. Come on, this is growth that we have never seen before. So why am I saying this? Every time you invest in the PSE, and especially if you're in it for the long term, think about the growth that we have in our economy. Think about what we have in store for us and how we could actually for how many years can this be sustained? Why? If this is sustainable, and if you think that more construction, more developments will go on over the next few years, why will you be scared? The growth and the prospects of growth is what will lead our economy and our stock market higher over the next few years. So now, what should you do if the market is up and you have a winning position? When should you actually take profit? So the bottom line in all of this is you follow your technical analysis. You follow, if you're a trader, you follow those support lines that we've noted. You follow those areas where you need to take profits. If those resistances are not broken for specific stocks that you're looking at, if those resistances are not broken, take profits. If support lines get broken as well, when it starts to hit certain levels, if they don't hold, so just hold your stocks first. If the support level gets broken though, take profits. Your goal here is not to follow your emotions. And for those who've been investing for some time, you know what happens when you follow your emotions. It will cause you to take profits too soon. If you take profits too soon, sayang, you may lose out on opportunities to make money. As of this point in time, the trend of pretty much all stocks in the market are pretty much still bullish. So do not sell until we see a clear reversal yet. Please taper your emotions that you do not sell too early. Kasi sayang if you sell too early, you minimize the chance of you taking profits. You minimize the chance for you of making money on a very bullish market. Do we know how high the market will go over the next few months? We don't know it. We don't know yet. We don't know if at the peak as of this point of time is 8,900. We don't know that. But what we know is this: the market is still bullish. As the market is still bullish, we follow the trend. For if support lines are broken, that's when we sell. All right. So that's it. Stocks by request. I hope to do the stocks by request tonight. I just did a shoot here for Yasmin Neri's vlog series. So we just finished, so I took the opportunity to do this quick update for all of you. I also spoke in Bloomberg this afternoon, so for those who wanted to know what's happening and my take on the market, it's also posted there as well. Alright, let me greet some of you. Roch Balila from Dubai, hello. I think we're just 4 weeks away from Stock Smarts in UAE. I hope to see you there when I get back. Hector Cabus asking for CHP, MPI, and MRSGI. Hector, I talked about CHP in the Bloomberg interview. I might post that in my blog later on. Dino David saying, hello smart people. Jitnak from Iloilo City. Risa Bawan from Singapore. Christine Sinon from Qatar. Christine Garcia from Catanduanes. Joel Gonzaga asking for CIHB. Ergin Peñalosa. Hi Sir Marvin, watching from Ayala, Makati. Again, I hope to do the stocks by request later on tonight. So that's it. Quick plug. This weekend, StockSmart CDO. Next week with Randall Chongson, Investor Insights in over there, SM Aura naman. Then after that, StockSmarts London, end of January. Then first week of Feb, we'll be in Dubai for StockSmarts UAE. Then the whole March, we will be here back in Manila for StockSmarts Manila, where we will talk about technical and fundamental analysis. So that's it. I hope videos like this help you. Again, as promised, I'm mas consistent ako this year. No, this January, I'm doing more and more videos as promised, to keep you up to date on what's happening in the markets in general. So that's it for now. By the way, kudos to those from Taiwan who spotted, no, si Jazz, yung buong team nila sa Taiwan who spotted Tugs, PSEi, China Bank. Congratulations to all of you, and to you guys also from the different cities where we've done our stock smarts as well. So that's it. God bless you all. I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. I hope to do our stocks by request later on tonight as well. So God bless you. Quick update on the market. Yeah.